Koolboks, we're on a mission to make sustainable cooling affordable and accessible to everyone that needs it. Picture this. In Nigeria, access to electricity is unevenly distributed, and this makes refrigeration really difficult. When there is no access to refrigeration, this equals to food loss and food wastage. In Nigeria alone, we record over 50% of food waste annually. This exactly is the problem we are trying to solve. Harnessing the energy of sun and water, Koolboks has created a solar refrigeration solution that makes continuous cooling affordable and also accessible, whether or not there is access to electricity or even in the case of limited sunlight. We have integrated into our freezer a pay-as-you-go device that makes repayments very easy to monitor and also very easy for our customers. At the beginning, when we came into the market, it was quite difficult for us to, get customers because one thing about Nigerians is they are very used to already available brands. People are questioning, are you sure you are able to provide cooling with solar? I mean, it was really something novel and almost unacceptable to a lot of people because the people that would usually use a Koolboks freezer are people that need access to refrigeration for income generation. These are Mama Risi in the marketplace selling fish, selling chicken, selling turkey, highly perishable goods. And one of the things we discovered about these categories of customers is that they are unbanked. And at the beginning, we wanted to work with asset financing institutions to finance these customers. But of course, you would know that the asset financing institutions want to see this customers' traction in black and white. And for us, it was tough. And we needed to figure out a way to be able to, give credits to these customers, sort of promoting financial inclusion. And, we had to contact organizations that would help us monitor the repayments. So these are like major challenges that we faced at the beginning of, penetrating into the market in Nigeria. At Koolboks, sustainability is woven deep into our operations, right? And definitely we measure carbon emissions avoided as well as food wastage avoided. As of today, 2025, we have been able to save over 40,000 tons of food from going to waste. And in terms of CO2 emissions, we've been able to avoid over 100,000 metric tons, actually. So yes, this is something that we are measuring because, again, beyond creating impact in the lives of people, we also are interested in creating a lasting impact on our environment.
My unit, Cool Credits, is the financing arm of Koolboks, solely created to power financial inclusion for individuals and businesses across Nigeria. Today, we provide credible, reliable, and affordable credit solutions to help our customers afford products, restock their inventory, and in general build their businesses without being limited to the upfront cost of the product. As we're scaling, we got a lot of collections from our customers via different channels, and this was one of the issues we were facing. So we had to look for a payment gateway that can streamline this process. That is when we got in touch with Kora. And one of the reasons we chose Kora was because they were able to create virtual accounts for each and every one of our customers. So we are not limited to, even if our customers paid via the POS system or they paid via USSD or bank transfers or even third party, we knew that all the payment was going to one particular account. This helped us reduce the hassle of payments reconciliation or of inflows between customers. Secondly, we had loan management system, and we needed a payment API integration. So whenever we received these payments, we had integration directly to our loan management system, and this helped us reduce the human errors of posting payments for each and every account every single day. And lastly, we had the good thing about Kora was the payment settlement. It was instant. We didn't have to wait because of the general commercial banks where we had issues with network issues, but we didn't have that with Kora. Immediately, we were instantly getting our debits for all our customers' payments. the good thing about Kora is that the customer service was superb, right? We had people who were always on standby in terms of any issues related to payments that we were expecting. We're getting customers receipts and we're not seeing sometimes on the payments platform, so immediately we contacted someone on Kora. They were there to resolve all our problems.